paying attention, they can really save your ass.
When you're in the woods and you hear a squirrel off in the distance away from you chirping, and you don't hear another squirrel, get really quiet, get really low, so you can see through the branches. Don't focus on the ones close to you, see through them. You just watch in that direction. Just like this, don't look here, look here.
He was just giving a bird crap for going after his nuts. But it's always better safe than sorry. Squirrels are like nature's alarm system.